Here is my dog. Come here, girl. Come here. She was watching me before. Look, girl. It's alright. I'll just put my phone down, guys. Hello and welcome to my channel. My dog is a little bit scared at the moment because of noise of the neighbour upstairs. But here she is. Look at her. There she is. She's watching me. She's watching me. Can you see? Do you see her? I don't know if you could see her. She was watching me on... Isn't that funny? So this is how to calm your dog down. Get your dog to watch you on your... There, see there? There I am. And here's my dog. My dog's name's Sahara. Sahara, are you watching Mummy on the laptop? I'm just reviewing my YouTube video. I'm going to let her go. I'll just put it down a bit. Sit it down on my lap. There she goes. Look. Look, can you see? That's Sahara. She's had enough, I think, of me. There I am. But yeah, the lady upstairs, she was really frightening my dog. I really need help. Look, you can see, I'll just walk around my place. You can see it's carpeted. So there is no reason for her. I'm just going to shut myself up here. There is no reason for this neighbour that's upstairs. This is my bedroom here. Now see this door here? This all upstairs. This complex has 2 floors. So I'm on the ground floor. Upstairs is my neighbour, and she's only got 1 door exit, and it's the same back door as mine. And she, I don't know if she suffers compulsive disorder or mentally ill. She hardly goes out, but she's just constantly putting her, and then see this? She goes constantly like that, and then you can see my dog. She just constantly, my neighbour, constantly does this with this, yeah, it's not just once. Like, I understand if you're doing your washing and you need to put your clothes away, but she goes back every day, several times a day, and just constantly. And my dog is a nervous wreck. Her name's Sahara. Say hello, Sahara. Sahara is a beautiful girl. Sahara is a Maltese Westie cross, and she is 10. And when I do my paranormal videos, this here, I might as well take it while we're doing it, though it's not meant to be a paranormal thing. I'll just show you. This, can you see? This is, look, I sit here. This is where I sit. There's nothing, see? See, here's my, are we getting some activity? Because there's me. See, there's me on there. So that's still a green. So I'm wondering, well, look at that. This is where I'm claiming, you saw it all light up. This is my hallway to, not my hallway, my doorway to my bedroom. Look, this is where I'm claiming. Can you see the can you see? There's nothing here. There's no electrical. My modem is over there, guys. There's nothing. Look at it go. This is the middle of the day. Look, I'll take it around and show you that I won't get it just to make a liar out of me, but I think it's following me. There's nothing here. There's nothing electrical here. Look at that. This is the first time. I'm going to turn it around to me. There you go. Told you. I told you. I've got the attachment. The spirits are with me. I told you. I'm just going to show you my beautiful dog. Here's my dog. Look. Look. One green light. One green light. I'm turning it back at me. Look, it's starting to work. Did you see it go to the third? There's one back to me. But we'll go back to the area it likes. Now, I was just here just before in the hallway. There's nothing. Look, nothing. The same. Look, I told you. This is where. But anyway, I was not really intending to make this paranormal. Look, there's nothing here. It's gone off again. It's following me. Look, I pointed it to me. This is following me. Anyway, I wanted to show. Oh! Did you catch that? Did you catch that? The motion detector just came on in front of my husband's urn. It came on. I'll show you. I'll step closer and you can see. Can you see that light? It's on. I'll show you because there, it just turned off. It just turned off. I'll show you what I mean when it went on. See? It was on like that just before. This was not meant to be paranormal, guys. I was coming to show you that when I do my paranormal, there's my husband and that dog little there, that Westie, is Jimmy. The one that I get recording. Jimmy died a couple of years ago, age 6, and Jimmy is Sahara's son. Wow. I'm just putting this EMF on again. No, I'm not getting anything now. But you did catch it. Oh, there we go. But I'm turning it off. How you caught it is just, I did that then. It was just this part shone. Now it's hard to see because it's daylight, as you can see. And also with that Ghost Tube spirit app that I use, here is the main road. We're going to stand here for a minute and you'll see how infrequently cars go past. That's 3 cars. It's a bit busier than what it was when I did my earlier session. Anyway, that. I just did it again. Did you see? I can't affect that, guys. I am behind. Here. I'm behind. I'm behind. So that shows me that Robbie is one of the spirits. See? If I was affecting it, I'll go back to where it came on. If I was affecting it, it'd come on now, and it's not. All right, I don't mean... This was meant to be about my neighbour, and to show you. She also goes... Can you hear that stomp? You don't need to stomp. This was meant to be about my neighbour and my dog, but you might as well enjoy looking around my place. This is where I tend to come out, and then, you know, the spirit, the paranormal activity. But I'll show you another interesting thing that's been happening lately. Because I've been really, really sick, I spend most of the day lying here, or I get away from my neighbour in the bed when she's making a loud noise, and I sleep because it's only a 1 bedroom. But this, my door's closed. You can quite see it's closed. And this will move. There's no breeze. There's no windows open. Show them. Can you move? Spirits, can you move that for me? I don't know if you can see it, but it is slightly moving. Now it's very, very heavy. Can you move it, spirits? Can you move and show them? There you are. Can you see that last one's moving? Can you see? I'll try and get a close up. It's very hard. It's very, there we are. Can you see that they're moving? There's no windows. Look. The other thing that, oh, I did it again. Hello, Robbie. But here is another thing that sometimes moves, and this is very interesting because this wasn't meant to be paranormal. This is where I sit. You can see that I don't have a very, a very small system to do my YouTube, but this here, this doll, her things will move on this doll. So this is it moving now? Very, very slightly. It's very hard for me to show you. This light flickered the other day. Can you make the light flicker again? Oh, it's hard. It would be. This is when I think a lot of paranormal videos are staged. When you say, "Oh, watch this," and it'll open up a sliding door. Yeah, as if the spirits are going to, on your command, do it. The spirits do things when they want to do things, and things happen. Here's another thing that sometimes happens. See up there, her silver little things will move. My chair will also move, and this chair. I'll be sitting in this chair and it will rock. But I can never catch her. Oh, here it is. It's moving now. Oh, I've just missed it. You can't see it. There you are. Can you see it swaying? It's swaying, people. But I don't have cupboard doors open. Anyway, this was meant to be about my neighbour and my dog who suffers anxiety. But I might as well, while I'm talking, show you around my pretty place. I'm hoping to move from here. I've put in a transfer. I've complained so many times about upstairs. And I think she's getting vindictive now. As I said, look, there's no reason for stomping. We have carpet. I didn't mean to make this a nasty video. I just want your help. I have tried talking to her. In fact, when this noise first happened nearly 2 years ago, and apparently the last tenants who lived here, you might as well look at something pretty while I'm talking to you. Rob loved these. The last tenants who lived here moved out after a year complaining of noise. And I found this out from upstairs because she told me, because they kept complaining to her. Oh, and just to show you that there's no windows open to be causing anything, look, see, all closed. Pull that curtain. Anyway, and have a look at my beautiful dolls. I felt so sorry for blaming her that I went and I bought a present and I took it to her upstairs and said, I've been judging you for making this noise, and here is a present. I'm really, really sorry. But it really, really was her. And every night. I apologize to God for, blaming her, but I'll show you what I have to use to get her to shut up sometimes. I've got to bang it on the ceiling, and that's not nice. So if you have some suggestions to help me, it's gone far past being able to talk to her. As I said, I think she's mentally not there. Anyway, thanks for watching this video too. What started off about complaints about my neighbour, I ended up showing you my small place. This is it. They're my lovely things I collect. And isn't it sad that I have to sleep on here because my dog freaks out because my neighbour can't softly slide. I'll go there once again before I end this. This is how she does it. Now listen to how gently you can do it. Can you hear the difference? Not that I'm putting anyone down. I'm just at my wits' end what to do. I'm sorry, viewers. I sound like a real nasty bitch. I've been really, really ill. You can tell looking at my face. I looked at my face and it's so spotty and so red. I don't know whether the spirit attachment has made me so sick. I even did a smudging. I smudged every corner of this place. I smudged it, and I asked for the lady upstairs to healing every night in my prayers. I asked to be forgiven for being angry at her and asked for help for her and for the world, but I don't know whether they're not very soundproof, are they? So there's like 16 of these units, and I've shown you my little place, and some of them have 2 bedrooms, but once upon a time a house was on here. Anyway, viewers, I've said enough. I'll end it with showing you my beautiful dog. Hello, Sahara. Aren't you beautiful, aren't you? You say hello to all your fans out there at YouTube. Say YouTube? All your friends at YouTube. Oh, don't you want to say goodbye? All right, this is Sahara signing off. This is Jem signing off too. And I'm sorry if you don't, and you're very, you can leave a comment that you don't like this video, you don't like how I've judged, but I desperately need help. If you can offer me advice how to deal, it's no good saying, oh, get some earplugs, because this beautiful creature is the one that's affected. This beautiful creature, just before I made this video, she jumps on your face. She's constantly licking you for reassurance because she is so frightened of what this lady upstairs is. She's ruining our lives. Okay, I'm done. Cherish every moment. Love the best you can. Forgive me, guys. I'm sorry. I love you. Bye.